In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up a business page on Facebook. Facebook is one of the biggest social media platforms around the world, and if you have a business, it's very important for you to own a business page on Facebook, as Facebook guarantees you a higher rate of success in your business. So it's very necessary, and that's why I'm going to be teaching you guys how to set up a business page on your Facebook account. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get started. All you want to do is to go to facebook.com. You want to head to facebook.com, as you guys can see, and if you have a Facebook account, there's no need to create a new account for this business page. Okay, you can just continue with your normal Facebook account, and if you don't have a Facebook account, you can create a new one. You can sign up and create a normal Facebook account. Okay, so once you're in your Facebook account, after creating or after logging in, all you want to do is to come to menu over here, and then you want to scroll down to you have page, you have page here, you have pages here. You can just select your page over here. All right, so this is where it all begins. Okay, so you want to insert the name of the business you're about to create, or the business you have that is existing already. Okay, so I'm just gonna say kidkes digital products. This is just an example. Okay, if you have a clothing business, you want to ensure you insert it here. If you have a perfume or even a normal design or whatever business you have, you just want to insert the name over here, and then you want to insert the category of the business. Okay, so if it's a digital product business like mine, you can as well look for digital, something that deals with digital creator, as you guys can see. And if it's a clothing business, you just want to search for clothing. You would always see the perfect category. Okay, you can select as much as possible. Okay, so let's go for digital creator. Let's go for some digital product as well. Products. Okay, we don't have product, but let's just go for social media agency. Let's just go for, or let's just leave it this way. Let's just leave it as digital creator. Okay, and now you have the bio. This is where you want to give a brief description about your business. And if you're someone that is not really good in joining words together, you can just head to ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, and then you can ask ChatGPT to write me a bio about business for, okay, so you can insert the type of business you're doing. If it's a clothing business, you want to add for clothing business. If it's a perfume business, you want to add perfume. But mine is digital products, so I can just say for digital products. Okay, so for digital products, and then enter. All right, so it's gonna give you a very nice brief explanation. Okay, so this is just a sample. Okay, this is just a sample. I'm gonna cut it over here. So I just want to look for something that is quite catchy. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut from this place. Then okay, Control C, and then you just want to go back to the area, and then Control V, and now you want to edit it based on your business name. Okay, it's very important to read it, and if it's not giving you the exact thing you want, you can as well re-ask it again. Give me a better description for a digital product business. Okay, you can as well do the same thing if it doesn't give you what exactly you want, but the idea is to read through and then pick something that gives you the best thing. Okay, and then you want to paste it, and you can can as well edit it. Okay, so I'm going to change this to kidkes digital product, kidkes digital products. All right, okay, so once you're done, all you want to do is to just create a page, and that's it. And you'll be asked some other questions, okay, to be brought to the main home page, as you guys can see on my screen right now. So all that is left is for you to set it up professionally. Okay, it's very important. If you don't have a logo, or you don't have a business picture, you want to as well get one. And in case you have a business but you don't have a very nice photo based on your business, although that's actually unusual, you can as well just head over to Canva. Okay, you can head over to Canva, Canva design, graphic design, and then once you go to Canva, all you want to do is to just okay, let me just log in case you don't have an account. You basically just want to create an account, although I already created a video based on how to use Canva. I'm going to drop the link to the video in the description, as well as the top of the video right now, so you guys can learn it in case you don't know how to use Canva. Okay, and all you want to do right now is to click on create a design. Okay, if it's a logo you require, you want to come to logo over here, and then you want to search for a logo based on your business style. Okay, if your business is based on clothing, you just want to search for clothing. Okay, and you're going to have a whole lot of options to select from and edit from. Okay, for example, if my business is about clothing, if I input clothing over here, you guys are going to see a whole lot of logos logos options I can use from. Once I just bring them in, I can as well edit it. So that's the main idea. And once you're done, let's say this is the one I want to use, all you want to do is to click on share over here and download it. Once you download, you just want to head over to your Facebook again and then click on this picture and add it. Okay, you upload it. But mine is based on kidkes digital products. Okay, and I already have a normal picture I can I can use. But then let's just go to Canva and just look for something based on digital products. Okay, so you guys can see it better. So digital products. Okay, so digital product. Okay, we don't have anything based on that, but let's just go for products. Okay, so add a page. Okay, and so let's just look for a normal logo we can just use. I think I'm just gonna go for this one. Okay, I'm just gonna go for this one, and then I'm just gonna re-edit it. Okay, so I'm gonna re-edit this. Okay, so let's just make it KID then KES. All right, so I'm just going to expand this. Okay, so just expand this a bit. All right, and then I'm going to reduce it. Okay, it's just a quick one for the sake of today's video. All right, so kidkes, I'm going to take it up, and then I'm going to put digital products over here. Digital products. All right. Okay, so I'm as well going to make it straight, and then I'll just bring it over here. Okay, this is just a quick one. Okay, you want to make sure it looks way attractive than this. Okay, and then you want to come to share over here, download. All right, and then you want to select the page. Okay, it's just page 2, and then done and download. All right, so as you guys can see, it's downloading. And now the next thing you want to do is the banner. Okay, you want to cover for your business page as well. So let's go back to designs. Let's go back to the home page. Okay, once we go to the home page, we basically want to create a design for our Facebook cover. All right, just type in what you want to design. Okay, you're gonna have the ratio. Okay, so now Facebook cover, let's look for something related to products as well. Okay, so let's say products. Let's see product display, product feature, something related to digital. Okay, let's just use a quick one. Let's just use this particular one. All right, so let's use this particular one. Okay, or even this one. Okay, I think I prefer this one. So all you want to do is to just edit it again based on your business name or business logo, whatever it is. Okay, so I'm just going to make this kidkes. All right, I'm going to make it straight as well. Okay, I'm going to delete this one. Let's take this out. Let's delete this one, and then I'm going to make this straight. Okay, so kidkes. Okay, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. All right, just a quick one. All right, and then all you want to do after all this is to download it as well. Okay, you want to come to download over here. It's loading, and once it's done loading, you basically just want to download it, and now you have your logo and your banner as well. But if you're the type that wants to, you don't really need this type of designs, you can as well just upload your pictures. It's a business stuff. Okay, you want people to actually see your stuffs on your cover. You can as well upload your business pictures or your product pictures as your banner and your logo. Okay, and then it's done downloading, and once you're done downloading, you can as well just close out this and then go back to your Facebook. Now this is where you want to upload everything. For the logo you created, you just want to click on upload photo. Okay, if you don't want to use the logo, like I said, you can as well select from your pictures already, but I'm just going to use the created logo. Okay, so this is it. So as you guys can see, it's going to load up, and then we're good to go, and then save. Okay, so this is going to be our logo. All right, and then for our banner, you want to do the same thing, add cover photo. Okay, so this is where you want to upload the picture you actually created. All right, so as you guys can see, it's the exact ratio. Okay, it's the exact ratio already. That's the advantage of Canva. You don't need to waste any more time. Okay, so once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is to start uploading pictures, start uploading things that people can actually see on your page. Okay, like I said, if you already have an existing business, you want to start uploading the photos of your business already. And if you don't have an existing business, or you're about to just start and it's related to something, you can as well go to Canva and look for photos based on that product. Okay, and now all you want to do in order to post that is to just come here to post. Okay, once you come to post, you can just come here to where you have photos and videos, and then you can upload them. Okay, that's for uploading. Now the next thing over here to complete our page, to ensure that our page looks very okay, is to come here to edit details under the ad bio. Okay, you want to edit the details. You want to add your phone number, very very important, okay, in case someone actually sees your page and wants to communicate with you. You can as well add your address, okay, but it's not really necessary, okay, but you can add your location just in case. And then you can add the hours in case it's a business. When do you work? From what time to what time do you work? You can as well add that over here. So as you guys can see, this is where you're going to add your website as well. If you have a website, if you don't have a website and you have a social media platform like Instagram or TikTok, you can as well paste the link over here. All right, so just to show you guys a quick one, let me just use my YouTube for an example. So I'm going to go to YouTube, okay, and then I'm going to go to my main home page. Okay, I'm going to go to my main account page. All right, but if you have an Instagram, you can as well use your Instagram. But if it's no matter the social media platform you want to use, it's all the same. Okay, so I'm going to go to view my channel, and then I'm just going to post this, and then I'm going to post this real quick, and then this is the main thing. I want to get this link, okay, so Ctrl C, and then I'm going to come back here and use it as my website. Okay, you can use your social media stuff as your website, and then in case you have a social link, you can as well add it over here. And then once you start posting your product, this is where you want to insert the price range. Okay, it's very important so as to avoid unnecessary communications and unnecessary questions, to save your time from people actually asking you for the price of several items. You can as well add them over here. So you want to add the price, okay, so you can just go for cheap in case it's actually a cheap product. Okay, you can go for cheap, and then the other things here are your services. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to show you guys here, let's go back to our main home page. Okay, let's just stay on this page. Let's go to our normal post lead page. Okay, all right, and now we have the next thing over here, which is the featured. Okay, people won't see this unless you pin something. Okay, this is where you want to upload spectacular things, or things that are outstanding based on your business, or product that are very very unique, or even something you did recently based on your business, or you have an upcoming event or an upcoming series or upcoming products of your business. This is where you want to add it. Okay, in case it's an event, you want to scroll down here to upcoming event. You want to create the event, and if it's a picture or a video or something, you can as well come here, and if it's a reel as well, as you guys can see, this is where you want to add them. Okay, so this is for featured. Now moving on to another very important thing, in order to even attract more people to come to your main Facebook page, is what we call the under the settings. Okay, once you come to under settings, you have a very very important aspect here, which is the new pages experience. All right, so new pages experience is basically the area where you can give other people access. In case you're a business and you have several other people in your business, it's not just you. This is where you want to give them access. Okay, you want to add people that has access to your business page as well. Okay, you just want to click on add new over here, and then this is where you want to add the person. Okay, this is where you want to add the person, either by name or by email. Okay, yeah, and that's for giving access. Now another very important thing is what we talk about, our normal automation inbox replies. Okay, you'd have seen a lot of businesses out there, and it's not even possible for you to always be online, especially if you're an individual business personnel. Okay, you want to ensure you have this automated reply to several messages from your buyers, okay, or from your potential buyers. Now in order to set that up, all you want to do is to go back. Okay, now once you go back to the normal home page, you want to come here to professional dashboard. Okay, you come to professional dashboard, and now in professional dashboard, this is a place where you can see a whole lot of things. By the time you start posting pictures and videos, start advertising, this is where you can actually see those that that have seen it, those that have engaged with it, those that have clicked on it, and then you can continue to monitor, analyze whatever potential you're having from buyers. Okay, and now one very important thing I'm about to show you guys here is the inbox aspect. Okay, you want to scroll down where you have inbox over here. You want to click on inbox. Okay, so this is where you want to set your auto reply. For example, a buyer actually sent your business page a message and you're not online. Okay, so this is where you're going to set the automated reply. All right. Okay, so all you want to do right now is just to come here to automations. All right, once you click on automations, you'll be able to add these particular replies. As you guys can see, suggested for you, we have instant reply, we have frequently asked questions, away messages, identify unanswered messages, and custom keywords. All right, so this is it over here. In case someone sends you a message and you're not online, you can see this is a way, probably you've gone to sleep or things like that, or you have a lot of frequently asked questions, okay, and you just want to insert it with the answer, so the person wouldn't bother trying to ask those other questions that someone has actually asked you in the past. All right, so this is where you want to set them up. Okay, for example, just to show you guys, you want to click on this instant reply. Okay, so as you guys can see over here, we already have a created one for us. So Facebook has created a normal one. It's actually very okay for us. Okay, all you want to do is just enable this. So for example, someone sends you a message, so it's going to say, hi, thanks for contacting us, we received your message and appreciate you reaching out. Okay, it's going to give the buyer confidence that yes, this person is actually real and this person is going to reply me, compared to not using it. It's very, very important to make your business outstanding. All right, so all you want to do is just click on this to enable it. Okay, and now the next thing after enabling this, the next thing is to just go back to other ones like the away messages. You also want to enable all those ones. You want to enable every single thing to make your business outstanding. Okay, so let's just go back. Let's go back. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is just the automation aspect, and now we have all the other features aspect like the messenger, Instagram, Facebook comments, where you can actually analyze your entire business field. Okay, from all these you can actually see a lot of messages coming in, a lot of replies, and it actually gives you that the oversight of your entire business. So it's very, very important as a business personnel to own a Facebook business page. It's very, very important because it gives you a whole lot of advantage compared to other businesses out there. Okay, so another thing I would like to show you guys is where we have the insights. Okay, once you come to insights, okay, this is where it gets started. This is where you want to analyze your audience clicks, your audience engagement, your content, every single thing about your business. For example, you post photos, you post videos, or your page, you want to know how many people are visiting your page every week, every day, every month. This is where you want to come to insight. This is going to show you every single thing. Okay, and in case you want to analyze probably at the end of each month, you can as well export this. You can download it and then view it by yourself and analyze what really happened this month, how did I do this month, and that's basically what this insight is about. Okay, so guys, there's so much more things in this particular Facebook business page. Another thing here is the earning. Okay, you want to see in case you start earning. Okay, this is basically showing you your earnings, your video earnings, based on whatever you post. And now from this, if you actually post a video and it hits a whole lot of millions of views, okay, you can actually earn from it, from this particular part of the insight. Okay, so yeah guys, that is basically how the Facebook business page works. And as you guys can see, it has a whole lot of potential. You can even advertise easily, you can promote your business easily with Facebook with just few amounts of money, and then you can reach a whole lot of people. So that's why I'm saying it's very, very important as a business personnel to own a Facebook business page. It's very important to be successful, okay, in Facebook. Okay, so yeah guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you surely still have a lot of questions, make sure to drop it down in the comments, as I'm someone who would always answer them no matter how hard the questions might seem. So yeah, drop it down in the comment section in case you have other questions. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, drop a like on today's video, and also share it as well. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.